Hey guys, today's a very cold day in New Jersey, but I have this Radiance Blend tulip from Proven Winner box with me for about a month, and I was waiting for, I don't know, the days passed by and Thanksgiving came. Anyways, the everything is frozen outside, and I'm gonna try to plant it now. So sorry, this is another day, but the planter is actually very frozen. So I put some warm water, and I I was actually successful. I waited for a little bit. I had to wait for the water to drain out, but it actually loosened up. As you can see, I moved it a little. I tried to get as much of the water out and proceeded to put the bulbs. Remember when you're planting that the flat side of the bulbs goes down and it has like an onion, like little roots or garlic per se, and the top goes up. I'm gonna try to fill this in as much as possible. Like I said, this package I had it for about a month in my possession, and I pay half the price. So it's an experiment at this point. If it comes, I mean, if it flowers, I'll be happy, and if it doesn't, then I failed. But I'm gonna give it a try. This color blend, it wouldn't go with anything that I have, but I think in this part of the garden it doesn't matter because I only have green in the back, so it might be a good blend. Whatever it is, we are planting it. Right? So I fill it up as much as possible. I actually have a few left that I'm gonna plant inside. I might try to force it. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I hope the I haven't been so successful planting inside, but I hope that this time it works. Last year I got some tulips to grow, but they were like 2-3 inches tall. It might have been my mistake. It could have been the planter. I don't know, but I'm gonna try something different this year. I'll do it together with you. Anyways, I fill up the container with new potting mix, and I'm proceeding to put some greenery. This is not as much as to make it look like a Christmas arrangement, which it will probably look better than an empty pot, but it's also to deter or try to deter the squirrels. They are everywhere in my yard, disturbing every pot, every garden bed, the lawn, everything. So this is what I'm trying to do. So hopefully by tomorrow is again, look at the wind, sorry, is hot enough and they are not able to take my bulbs out. One can only hope, right? But it's also looking really nice as I add the greeneries. Those are from when I purchased my Christmas tree. We had a few branches. I asked the guy to give it to me, and I'm using it everywhere in the house. It's so windy out fast. But this project is really quick. It's looking nice, right? At least I think so. I like it. So I had another bag of bulbs, and I need to plant them. So I am gonna add them to another terracotta pot. Hopefully it doesn't break over the winter. I just fill up the container a little less than halfway, and added all the bulbs, put them tip up very close together. Again, I had some bulbs extra, so I'm taking it inside to try to force them. And in here, I'm just gonna top it off with the rest of the potting mix, add some more branches, and we should be done in a second. But I mean, I know I waited a long time. I feel good that it's done. And like I said before, if it works, work. If it doesn't, we're gonna try again another year, right? Life happens, and sometimes you get to put things in the back burner, and this was one of those things. I hope that you enjoy this short video. I hope you like the content. I hope you learned something today. And I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye.